Hello everyone, this is Cherry from Sedelon Valve. Today we are going to talk about our API 609 butterfly valve. Let's have a look. This is wafer type, triple offset and a high performance butterfly valve. We can find it is worm operated. The body material is CF8. Disc material is CF8 too. And it is metal seated. Besides metal seated, we can also produce soft seated. And regarding the connection type, we also produce lug type and flange type too. Okay, thanks for your listening. This is Cherry. See you next time.